then you take it off the heat. It should be like this after said and done. Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm making fish roll. It's an order from a customer. So this morning I woke up early to make it, and I just thought to share with you. This is my fish in the pot. I have seasoned it and I'm boiling it now. Then after it is boiled, I will have to shred it and debone it. So now I will go ahead and mix all my flours and add everything. And this here is egg. This is egg. I'm going to be using 2 eggs for this. Okay, this is my all-purpose flour. This is my sugar. This is my margarine. This is salt, and this is the baking powder. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my flour. So to this bowl, I will add my all-purpose flour, 1 kg, and I'll add a little from the other half. So I'm making 1.5 kg of all-purpose flour. So now I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. So that's also I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. I will add nutmeg for flavor, just little, not much. Then I'll stir together. After stirring, I will taste if the sugar and salt is enough. If not, I will adjust it. Stir everything thoroughly together, all the dry ingredients. Taste before adding the baking powder. So right now I'm adding my baking powder. I will add 1 sachet of baking powder to that, 15 grams. Mix everything together. Mix it well. Now I'll add my margarine to it. This is 125 grams of margarine. Your margarine should not be too much because you are going to be frying this in the oil. When your margarine or butter is too much, it will be soaking oil while frying it. So you shouldn't add too much of margarine and butter. You only add enough margarine and butter when you want to make meat pie that you put in the oven. But this one is fish pie. You have to fry it in the oil. So this is it after mixing it with the margarine. This is how it should be. Should form a ball like this. Now it is time to be adding our egg. We have added all the dry ingredients. Now we started by adding the wet ingredients first by adding the margarine. Now make a hole in the middle and add 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs, and mix. After mixing with the egg, it's time for now to add my liquid milk. I'm mixing it with liquid milk. If not, you use ordinary water, but I like using milk, so I mix it. You add it little by little until you get the consistency. This should not be very stiff. It should not be very soft. It should just be normal. So after mixing the flour, your dough should look like this. You can see how it's not very soft and it's not very hard. It should look something like this. So this, we are going to set it aside and allow it to rest a little while we prepare our fish. And to my fish, I have to turn on the heat. This is my fish, is ready now. I have to bring it out from the water, shred it and debone it. So guys, this is the process of rolling the fish roll. I have already shredded the fish. This is it right now. I am going to start rolling and filling in the fish. This is exactly how it's done. So I'll cut a little piece, flour my surface, my clean work surface. Then you roll out your dough like this. Then after rolling it out, cut the sides. Cut the sides like this. It depends on the size you want your fish roll to be. Cut it like this. Then I add my fish like this. Add my fish like this. Then you cover and begin to roll. So you roll it like this until then later I cover it with egg like this. So I'll continue doing this until the last dough. So guys, this is the frying process. We have rolled everything up. Now it is time to start frying this, and you will fry this on a low heat. Fry it on a low heat, guys. Until it is golden brown. Until it is golden brown like this. So don't allow it to burn, and be gentle with it. Flip it over after 1 minute. So this should fry for about 2 minutes. Then you take it off the heat. It should be like this after said and done.